Well, happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. I am so glad that you're here with me today. I've got a really fun episode, I think, that's going to help you with any weekend travel that you might have left remaining for this summer. And I'm going to actually walk you through what to wear for each occasion for a 3-day getaway. And I am thinking this getaway is by car. And let's just get to it and you can see what my travel packing formula is. I'm not going to show you how I packed. I'm going to show you what I packed and what I am recommending that you wear for each of the occasions. The formula that I'm going to share with you today is called the 1, 2, 3 formula. There are 2 number 1s, 2 number 2s, and 2 number 3s. And so here's the list that I want you to make. 1 swimsuit, because we're going to assume you're going to go at least into the pool or at the beach for this little getaway. 1 swimsuit and 1 layering piece. If you prefer a dress, you can do that, but we're going to talk layering piece for this getaway. 2 bottoms and 2 tops, and 3 necklaces and 3 pair of shoes. I know we have more necklaces and shoes than we do tops and bottoms, but stick with me, you're going to see. You can easily get this into a carry-on, super easy, throw it in the trunk, and there you go. All right, so day 1, you're going to get in the car. You're going to wear a pair of white shorts and a white knit top that's kind of easy. If you want it to be, something that's a linen blouse, that can absolutely work, but make sure it's comfortable and that you can easily move around. These were pull-up shorts. And what I'm doing here is I have a pair of slip-on gold kind of sandals, because if you're going to stop and go to the rest stop, or you need gas and you want to get out of the car, it's easy on and off. I also wore my gold earrings through the whole trip. You'll see I didn't really go on a trip. I just did this for you. And I put a turquoise necklace that is long in the front, that's very lightweight, so I can get in and out. It's comfortable. I look cute. And there you go. I'm carrying 1 bag through the whole weekend. People ask me where I get this bag. I actually got it at Cato's. And inside that purse, it's clear, right? But inside it looks like it's like a makeup bag, and that's where it came with it. And because it had the colors of everything in my wardrobe, that I thought it was terrific. You could change that out for any makeup bag though. It's kind of big, but anyway, so that's what that is. All right, so now we've arrived at the hotel. You've unpacked and you're ready to go out for dinner. What are you going to do? All you're going to do is you're going to switch out and you're going to put on your new bottoms. You're going to put on a pair of white wide leg linen pants, and again, as long as it's a column, this works for you. So if you want all black, if you want all neutral, if you want, ivory, navy, whatever, I'm working with a column here. So you're going to put on your wide leg pants in the same color as the top. You're going to switch out only 2 things. You're switching out your necklace. In fact, I've got this necklace on today. This is by Noonday. Got it a couple years ago. And I switched out to my shoes, which are the Picolinos. Love those shoes, but they match my hair. And the reason I packed these for this particular trip is because you never know where you have to park to go to dinner. You might want to walk around the town. You might want to, whatever it is that you're doing, make sure that the second pair of shoes that you pack are also very comfortable and that they're walkable. And I added a dressier cuff bracelet on my right arm there. Same bag, same earrings, fluffed up my hair a little bit, touched up makeup, and ready to go out to dinner. All right, you come back to the hotel. You got to remember your pajamas. I didn't put that in there. So put in your pajamas, take your makeup off, all of that. And now we are going to go to the next day. Well, the next day is, guess where? You're going to the pool or you're going to the beach. So what are you going to do for your cover up? You are going to pull on your white wide leg pants that are linen, that are lightweight, and you're wearing those as your cover up to the beach. Now, don't forget a hat, because you're going to need that. I love this little straw hat. And so it's a little sun hat and it works. And down to the beach, I'm going to wear my little gold slip-ons because they are super comfortable, and I don't care if I get sand on them. I can easily rinse them off, and that's not going to hurt those. So make sure that pair that you wear in the car is something that you can also walk with down to the beach. All right, pool day is over. So now you're back in your hotel room and it's time to go to dinner. So shake out your pants, get if there was any sand on them or anything like that. Linen is so nice because you really don't have to worry about them getting wrinkled much because it kind of is part of it, but there's always an iron inside the hotel if you need to do that. But here's what I recommend now for your evening out after you've had a full day in the sun. You're going to wear the same white linen slacks. You're going to wear the white top that you wore yesterday, the knit top, and you're going to now put on your layering piece. This is a layering piece I got in Miami last year, 2 years ago. Very lightweight. I got it in the accessories department, kind of with all the kimonos, but I put it on. It was way too long for anybody else who was trying it on. And I'm 5'11", and you can see how long this is. But it's so lightweight. It's so beautiful. And I just added the turquoise necklace that I wore in the car the day before, and I've got an entirely new outfit, wearing the same walking shoes because, again, it's evening. I don't know where we're going to park, and I might have to walk to dinner if it's not valet. And there you have it. You've got a very beautiful outfit for evening without a whole lot of thought. All right, day 3 comes along, and you decide that on day 3 you're going to do some sightseeing. And so what are you going to wear for your sightseeing? Well, you're going to put your white shorts back on, and you are now going to wear a teal top. It's kind of turquoise teal. It was in our closet. Actually, all these pieces are from the Closet Outfit Planner, except for the layering piece, but all of these pieces. And so you're going to wear the white shorts. You're going to do a little side tuck with your with this teal turquoise top. But remember that if you have a belly, you want to do a side tuck from the side, not from the front. So it's not a front tuck, it's a side tuck. And it just gives it a little movement. I'm putting on the sneakers for the day for walking around and my sun hat, adding a turquoise necklace. It's funny, I meant to put on I'm just now seeing this, I meant to put on my other turquoise necklace that I had in the car the night before. I must have had this right next to me when I was trying to figure out what to do for you. So if you bring 4 necklaces, oh well. And I have the hat because I'm going to be outside walking around, and there you go, just a cute little outfit. And then it comes time for evening. What are we going to do? Well, I'm going to keep the same top on, but I'm going to add the white linen pants. I'm going to change out my necklace to this gold, it's very soft, very lightweight, bib type embellished necklace. I got that at Chico's very recently. And I'm going to do a little fun thing to this top, and you'll see here I'm showing you what I did. Just take a little rubber band, put it on the inside, tie it about, turn it about 3 times, and it brings the attention up. It kind of gives the top a little bit of a detail and gives it a different look. And that's it, you guys. It is so easy to pack 1, 2, 3 method. 1 swimsuit, 1 layering piece or dress if you prefer, and you could trade out that dress for the evening and then you wouldn't have to rewear your pair of pants and top again. 2 bottoms, 2 tops, 3 pair of shoes, and 3 different accessories, except I have 4 in here, but I only meant to have 3. But that's a good method for you as well. Just, it doesn't have to be complicated. As long as you mix and match and make sure the colors all go together, you are golden. I hope that was a fun video for you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will. And by the way, if you are interested in becoming a certified color analysis consultant or the full CIC, Christian Image Consultant certification, we have training coming up in August, and I'd love for you to get on the wait list. Go and get the information pack. It gives all the info. Go to stylebycolor.com and make sure you click on that information about Color Academy, and you can get all the information there. Until next week, I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.